Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you how I make these cute earrings. These are jade stones and all this bit is sterling silver. The things that I'm gonna use are the actual earring, then I have head pins. I think these ones are 20 gauge, but I will check and link in the description box. Then I have some jade beads. This size might be 4mm, but again I will double check and link in description box. Then I have a mat. I have 4 different pliers, one to cut the head pin, then to make the loop, and then 2 basic ones just to help me work. And then I'm gonna need I'm gonna use fishing line because it's just, I find it easier to work with this. And the size that I'm gonna use is 0.32mm. Again, it's available in my Amazon storefront, so, and it will be linked in the description box. And then obviously I'm gonna have some scissors, and that's it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut some fishing line, and the amount that I cut is I cut about 60 centimeters. So now I just folded it over and just gonna move these ones out of the way. The first thing that I'm gonna do is take one of the beads and just put it on one end of the fishing line, and then I'm gonna take 2 more and put one on each end of the fishing line, like so. And then I'm gonna take another bead and I'm just gonna pull each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, like so. And now you hold these 2 ends so they're the same size, and then you just drag that one bead down, and this is where we are at now. And then we take 2 beads, put 1 bead on one side of the fishing line and the other bead on the other side of the fishing line, let them go down, then take another bead and put it each end of the fishing line to the opposite side of the bead, like we just did, and drag it down. And we just do it again. So 2 beads, 1 on each end of the fishing line, and then another bead and put each end of the fishing line to the opposite side of the bead. And just drag it down. And now I am gonna take just 2 beads and put on each end of the fishing line, like so. So these 2 just stay like this. And now I'm just gonna take this end and put one of the ends of the fishing line through the bead here, like so, and just pull it. So now you just created the ball, and now we can just take these 2 ends of the fishing line and tie them. And here you have a nice ball created, and I usually tie it like 3 times. And be careful when you do that because you don't want to cut your fingers, so be mindful of that. I mean, you don't want to cut your fingers with the fishing line. When you pull it, it's quite sharp, so be careful. And here's the knot. And now we can just cut the loose ends. As you can see, I have quite a bit left, so maybe we just don't need to use 60 centimeters of the fishing line. Maybe we can use a bit less. So here we have made the little ball, like so. And now we're gonna take one of these head pins and just find like a little hole, so you know that the end ball is not gonna go through, and then you just put it like so. See, if I pull it, it doesn't go through, but there is like somewhere, there's like a gap, big gap where it just goes through. So you just find like a smaller hole and just put it on. I wish the lighting was much better, because in this lighting these earrings don't look that nice, but I promise they are really, really cute. And again, you don't need to use the same beads, you can use any beads you got at home. It's just that I'm showing you the principle, how you can make these little balls. So then I'm going to take these round pliers, and now I'm going to make a loop. So I'm taking about here, so I'm going to leave here a little gap, because I'm going to need to obviously wrap it around. So I'm just going to fold it backwards and then take this end and just fold it over the plier. And this is how it looks. And now I need to put the earring on, because this hole here, you can't open it. So you just put it on like that. And now you just grab this end and you just need to wrap it around the wire here. I like to do it with another pair of pliers because I find it easier for myself. So you just grab the end and just wrap it around. Okay, so now I think I wrapped it like 2 times. This one is quite thick, so that should be fine. And now you can just cut the loose end and just need to make sure that we fold this bit down as well. So you can take another pair of pliers just to hold it and then just fold it down. And that's it. Here's your earring done. So cute. I think they look really, really nice in the ear, and I will pop a picture so you can see how they look in the ear. But yeah, I won't make the other one because it's pretty straightforward to do them. So yeah, cute. So pretty, especially for spring and summer coming up. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do have a lot of different videos on my channel, so I would appreciate if you go and watch those too. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.